Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. And in this video, I want to talk about 3 ways that criminal defense attorneys and people involved in criminal justice reform and a criminal justice system, whether in San Diego, whether elsewhere in California, nationwide, can do their part to make sure that we do everything possible that we can to make this system more fair, more equitable, and to do what we can to ensure justice. And there's really 3 main reasons that I want to focus on this video. 3 things that we could do as criminal defense attorneys that I see far too often not happening, and it is very, 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 very frustrating and very disheartening. But it could have 1 or 2 effects, right? It could bring you down with them, or you could go that much further to try and offset that. Okay, what I view as shortcomings in the criminal defense community. Okay, the first is be prepared. For whatever reason, someone's trusting you with their future, with their reputation, in many instances with their freedom for a significant period of time. So as criminal defense lawyers, the least you can do if you're representing someone, whether you're getting paid $100,000, whether you're getting paid $6,000, whether you're doing it for free, is be prepared. Poor preparation precedes poor performance. A judge, I heard once say that in court, and it stuck with me. Be prepared. You have control over that. You don't have control over the facts of the case necessarily. You don't have control over who you represent in some instances, but you have control of your own preparation. Second thing is stop referring to the district attorney's office or the city's attorney's office as the people. Okay, I get why that's there, right? It is the state of California against whoever, okay, as the criminally accused. But this idea that you keep referring to, oh, the people want this, the people want that, and you're sitting there by yourself with your client, how does that make your client feel? It's bad enough he's got the state of California or the federal government of the United States against him or her, and he's hearing his own defense attorney say, the people, the people, the people, the people, the people, pretty much referring to anyone in that courtroom that's not on his side or that's not advocating for him or her. It's not that hard. Stop saying the people. There's a story that I remember, a friend of mine, the first time I saw that person appear, quote unquote, for the people as a district attorney, I walked out of the courtroom because I couldn't believe it. The thought of someone saying that I knew, I was like, oh my God, this is terrible, right? Again, is it the end of the world? Is that going to save criminal justice reform? No, but it's doing your part. And the third and final, and it's third not because it's any less significant than the first 2, is that when you represent someone in custody and you're sitting in court and you're waiting for the in custody clients to be brought out, don't play along with this, oh, the bodies aren't here yet talk. Referring to human beings, living human beings who are accused of a crime, some egregious, heinous crimes in some instances. They're still human beings. Defendant, client, accused, in custodies. Not the greatest, but better than bodies. When I hear a fellow criminal defense attorney say, oh, I'm still waiting, they got to bring up the bodies. It's little things like that go a long way in how you're perceived as an attorney, how your client's perceived as the criminally accused facing charges, and how this whole system operates. So if you focus on those 3 things, it's not going to solve this problem. A few things will overnight. It's a start. And I hope you'll join me in making sure you never refer to your client as a body, you never refer to the prosecution as the people, and you always come to court prepared whenever you represent someone in a criminal case. If you have any questions about your criminal case or have some concerns about your current state of representation, feel free to reach out to my firm, 619-295-3555.